Hello friends, it's Danny here, Danny's Dreams, and it is day 13 of my November 2023 Tag a Day series. So let's see what I used today. First, I used this Sweet November Stamps, Sweet November Gal Bianca. There's a whole line of these from Sweet November Stamps. They're a little bit like larger. Let me see if I can move my camera up a little bit. And I just really like them. They're more like realistic, I guess, versus the cutesy. And they're just so fun. And I have to say, after making today's tag, you might see a lot more of them on tags the rest of the month, because I think this is one of my most favorite tags I have ever made. So I might be using these a lot more. So anyways, today was Bianca. I paired her with a sentiment from the Sweet and Sassy Latte Love stamp set. Another great one for a coffee lover. And I dug out some Old Basic Gray. I'm enjoying using it. I have a lot of it. I need to use it up. So this is Plumeria that I used. And then I used these fun dies from scrapbook.com. They're the nested tags, and there's 14 pieces of them. But like this one is huge. Like I think that would be fun for like a mini album, but then it goes all the way down to even like this little itty bitty tiny one. I will probably be using these again because, like I said, I want to do more of those Sweet November gals on tags. So just giving you a fair warning, you might see a whole bunch of those. Before I forget, I also wanted to mention that my friend Teresa from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa told me that she might have a tag up today for a holiday series that she's doing. So I will link her YouTube channel below, and you might want to head on over there and check it out. She might have something up today dealing with tags. And here is how my tag turned out today. Again, I think this is one of my most favorite that I have made. Purples are the hardest color for me to color, but I think I did a fairly decent job in matching it somewhat. And then the Sentiment Coffee brings out the awesome in you, and I just love her, and like I said, I just love it. It's a little bit bigger of a tag, but I thought it could almost work almost like a card. I had someone ask me about my stamps on the back of my tags and cards. I kind of have a small medium collection of them. I started getting them when I first got into card making almost 18 years ago. I found them various places. I believe I started with, I think it's called the Paper Angel. I think it's still available or still like operating, but I think the prices were a lot more than when I started. But as everything goes up. And then I also like Tailored Expressions. They have some really cute ones. And then I know I'm going to butcher it. It's like Sun custom stamps that are kind of off of Unity stamps. Those are the main ones that I use. There is also rubberstamps.com. I know Crafty Al had good luck using them. I tried to use them. I was not that impressed with what I received for clear stamps, so I'm probably going to keep with the other places that I have used, and I really should just stop. But it's fun to have different styles or whatever. So again, there is my tag for day 13. You will be seeing more of these Sweet November stamp gals. And until tomorrow for day 14, I hope you go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.